Hello, everybody. I want to talk about New York and Company credit card today. And firstly, I have typed New York and Company credit card on Google, and then there are some ads as the results of this research, and I will click the www.nyandcompany.com website here, and I'm now on um, nyandcompany.com rewards cards benefits page here. As you see, if you don't have a runway credit rewards, you need to apply and create an account for you. For this, you need to click Runway Credit Cards here button, and then there are three steps for application. There is step one here. It is application, the first step, and with this credit card, you can have many benefits. I want to talk about some of them. And firstly, you can earn 10 rewards for every two $200 spent, and this reward is $20 for VIP accounts, and you can get birthday savings, and you can have free economy shopping days, and also there are some cardholder application events. You can get these benefits after application and having Runaways credit card. I think it's really beneficial. I think, and there are many benefits for you. So I recommend to have this credit card, and let's talk about how to create an account on New York and Company website. As you see on the on the right type of the page, there is an account icon here, and I want to click it and show you this. As you see, you can enter your email, and after this you can join the list, and if you don't have an account, you need to click create an account button here. After this, you will a member of New York and Company. Yes, so I think it is enough for this website. Thank you for watching. Please share and like my videos. See you. Bye.